So ayan guys, good morning guys. Today's vlog, pumalaot tayo para mahuli ng isda para may pangulam. Suddenly malakas ang ulan at lumaki yung alon guys, so umuwi ako. Ito ating gamit guys, so ito, yan, artificial boat yan guys. Ito yan, crystalite yan, yung ating pamain guys. And suddenly isa lang ating huli guys, isa lang. Ito tawag dito guys is talakitok, talakitoks. Sana pwede din kung hindi masama ang panahon, yung matang baka, okay, pwede din yun, huli din yun. Suddenly ito lang guys. Please support me and thank you.